Leica 3D Disto. How do I do manual measuring? The Leica 3D Disto is switched on, connected to the tablet, and ready to start a new measuring project. To start with, I set a reference height using the relevant button in the software. Here I am using the meter mark as my reference, so I enter 1000 mm and confirm with OK. The live image and the laser are activated and I can aim at the meter mark. The crosshairs on the viewfinder image mean that I can aim accurately and get a precise measurement even if the laser beam is not very visible, for example over long distances or in very bright surroundings. I take the measurement and confirm the height reference. There are various options for aiming at the required points. The device can be aligned quickly and roughly when it is moved by hand. Fine aiming is done via the tablet, as this controls the 3D Disto. A long press in the center of the crosshairs activates the joystick. A red dot appears. Drag a stylus or a finger across the screen to rotate the 3D Disto in real time in this direction until the red arrow is let go. For really precise aiming, the camera image can be magnified up to 8 times using the zoom button. Minor adjustments to the position of the crosshairs can be made using the 4 arrow keys at the edge of the display. Once the device is aimed correctly at the target, I take the measurement. The first point that is measured in a new project is used as the starting point for the coordinate system, i.e. is given the coordinates 0.0 and a corresponding height based on the previously measured reference height. The second measured point defines the x-axis. This means that with these first 2 measurements, the orientation of the project is precisely defined, ready for further CAD editing at a later point. When aiming, make sure that the laser beam is not split along a corner or edge. Once the second point has been measured, I can go back into drawing mode by pressing the viewfinder button. The display now shows a line from the first measured point to the second. The top bar displays the direct distance between the 2 measured points. If you press the button to the right of this, additional information can be viewed. In addition to the horizontal and vertical distances, you can also see the angle of the measured line and the X, Y, and Z coordinates of the marked points.